Hi, welcome to episode 2, Don't Back Yourself into a Corner. Over the years, it seems that business owners and managers often become defensive when confronted with a problem, or when simply just seeking answers to a question. Being defensive is a trigger and usually tells the person providing the information, "You're wrong." Executives and managers must learn not to be defensive when seeking advice or solutions. They must accept that, hey, they don't know everything. And they must be open to criticism, input from others. And I mean both internally and externally. When problems and challenges arise, as they're often going to, everybody within the organization must feel comfortable that their input is valuable and will be received properly. Validation is critical for a healthy work environment and culture. So hey, the next time when you're looking for an answer, be open and listen to the people around you who are just trying to help. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back each week for new videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational content.